Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel ShowTime. Today we will talk about Turkish famous actor Doğan Bayraktar, lifestyle, network, hobbies and much more. So please don't skip the video, watch till end and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We never bore you anymore. Let's start the video. Birth name Doğan Bayraktar. Date of birth 8 August 1995. Present age 26 years old in 2021. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Profession model and actor. Zodiac sign Virgo. Years active 2015 to present. Education. Height 6 feet 1.6 inches. Weight 82 kilograms. Eye color green. Hair color dark brown. Ethnicity white. Religion Islam. Marital status unmarried. Nationality Turkish. Let's start the hobbies. He likes traveling around the world. Like listening music. Like swimming. He is an animal lover. Social media fact. He is quite famous on Instagram, 304k followers on Instagram. Net worth $1 million approx. So friend, I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, share. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.